Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sana's Kitchen, and do like my recipe and subscribe my channel if you like my recipes. Now, this is a great weight loss snack which I'm going to show you today. It's called as honey cinnamon baked chickpeas. Now, this is very good to be munched, especially at odd times when you are in a diet session, especially in a weight loss session. For this, you have to take 200 grams of chickpeas, soak it overnight, boil it till 3 whistles, and then remove it after boiling. Now spread it over. See how I'm spreading it over a tissue paper so that all the excess water is soaked off. Now this is a very important step, because if you miss out this step, then your chickpeas would not be that crispy after you bake it. Now you remove the tissue paper after 15 to 20 minutes is done, and then you transfer this chickpeas in a plate. Now, when you are in a diet session, you especially feel like having some sweet thing in your mouth when people do stop all the sugar. So, this acts as a great snack, especially it has lots of cinnamon in it, and cinnamon is great in losing your weight, changing your metabolism, especially maintaining the insulin levels for the diabetic patients. So, it's very good. It's very healthy because it's high proteins. See, you have to add 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder on it. Okay, and then after adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, you have to add just salt, half teaspoon of salt. Salt should be according to your taste. And then you add 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. Addition of honey depends on your taste, but if you are on a weight loss diet, I restrict it to 2 to 3 teaspoons only. Okay, so you add 2 to 3 spoons of honey in it. Okay, you add little salt according to your taste, and then this is olive oil. You have to just sprinkle little of olive oil. Half teaspoon is more than enough for it. Just sprinkle olive oil. If you like more spice, if you want to make it more tangy, you can add chaat masala also in it, because the taste of chaat masala also goes very well with cinnamon powder, but then it is up to you to depend, right? I generally prepare it like that, and it is loved by my family members. See, this is how you have to do the coating. You have to coat it very well. It needs only 3 ingredients. Now you shift it to a baking tray. See, and while shifting to a baking tray also, you have to just keep some space in between. See, this is, yes, you just pour it over, bake it well, just mix it very well, coat it well, and then spread it nicely on a baking tray, and then you put it in an oven. See, you have to bake it in an oven for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. And yes, your snack is ready. This can be munched now and then, and it's great at weight loss. Thank you so